This is the Rolling with Tay podcast. I'm your host, Tasia, aka Tay, and this is a Tay Short. A Tay Short is a mini episode, just me talking about stuff. Season 2 of the Rolling with Tay podcast will be released in 2022. So in the meantime, in between time, you'll get some of these shorts. So today's short is about goals. Goals you set in 2021 and goals you're setting for 2022. It's okay if you haven't set your goals or even accomplished the goals that you set in 2021. No judgment here. I didn't accomplish all the goals that I set in 2021. And I set a lot of goals. I set a lot of goals all the time. I just set goals. Like, hey, I want to do this. This sounds cool. But no plan to action behind it. But in 2022, I'm going to be more intentional about my goals and have a plan to action. So let me tell you about 2021, which most of you know about because I spoke about it on the podcast. So in 2021, I rode in 3 centuries. I completed 3 centuries. I visited 6 out of the 7 states. I wanted to do all 7 this year, but it didn't work out like that. So I went to Montana, Washington, Oregon, North Dakota, South Dakota, and New Mexico. So my 7th state I will complete. I will visit next year. I skated in a half marathon. What else did I set out to accomplish that I did? I wanted to ride in the Sequel Ride, which was one of these centuries that I completed. So I wanted to do that, and I did it. And then, I think that's pretty much about it. Oh, I went to South America, Cartagena, Colombia, to be exact. I wanted to go to South America. I think that's it. I have yet to accomplish to complete my 2021 miles before the year is up. So every year of the year that we're in, I want to ride that many miles. So this year was 2021 miles. I still have, let's say, a little bit under 400 miles to go. And as I'm recording this, we have less than 25 days left to the new year. I'd say about 23 or 24 days, somewhere around there. But I have some time. But I also need to get on it. So those were 2021 goals. 2022 goals: 5 centuries, visit Alaska, which is my last state, skate in a full marathon, so that's 26 miles, visit more state and national parks. I went to a couple state and national parks last year, and it was so dope. So I want to visit more. I want to cycle and skate more, which I didn't do this year. I had set out to do it, but it just didn't work out like that. I had planned to be everywhere, but it just didn't work out like that. So I'm going to make it a point to cycle and skate more. What else? To cycle 2,022 miles before January 1st of 2023. Increase my average speed to 14 to 16 miles per hour. Right now, it's anywhere between 10 to 12 miles per hour. Now, I can get up to those speeds and beyond that, but it's maintaining it. So I'm really going to work on that. And last but not least, learn to swim. Now, I will definitely add to my list of goals. But the first step is writing down my goals. The next step is creating a plan of action. So my question is, what are your goals for 2022? And what goals did you accomplish in 2021? Let me know, because I really do want to know. I am interested. And you may say to yourself, well, Tasia, how am I going to let you know? I'm glad you asked that. You can follow me on Instagram at Rolling with Tay and shoot me a DM or leave a comment under my post. Or subscribe to my YouTube channel, Rolling with Tay, and leave me a message or leave a comment under one of my videos. Let me know. And let me know how you plan to accomplish your goals. Remember, nothing is too small or too big. These are your goals. So you're the one who has to, complete them. So it doesn't matter what I say, someone else says, they're your goals. So let me know. I'm interested. 2022 is around the corner. It's almost here. I'm excited for all the new opportunities and new experiences that I plan to take. And I'm just enjoying the journey. So this has been Rolling with Tay podcast. I'm your host, Tasia, a.k.a. Tay, and this is a Tay Short. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.